And those winds really picked up yesterday, and it has been dragging in the cold air over the last 24 hours and feeling the chill so far this early afternoon as we look live from our York Skycam. But hey, we do have the sunshine here in the White Rose City. Temperature's not bad. You look at the numbers and it's not all that unreasonable for this time of the year, right? 35 degrees, but it feels like 25 when you factor in this wind, which sustained at 17 miles per hour. We have had some gusts near 30 miles per hour at times so far into this early afternoon. Other current temperatures right now, Lancaster sitting at 35 degrees, 36 if you're watching us in the capital city of Harrisburg, near the freezing mark though in Gettysburg at this time, and still in the upper 20s around Lewistown. But temperatures, we can deal with that, but when you factor in some winds, it just cuts right through any of the clothes you have, and so we are really seeing these winds anywhere between 15 to 25 miles per hour sustained. Some breaks in the clouds, especially in our southeastern counties, but there are more clouds that are trying to work in from the northwest, and hey, even a few flurries knocking on your doorstep if you're watching us in the Lewistown area. Right now, wind chill values in the 20s, most spots. It feels like 19 degrees though around the Lewistown area. And it will be a rather brisk afternoon for us. A mixture of clouds and sunshine is expected. There could be a snow shower, perhaps a flurry chance as we go through the afternoon and evening, but it doesn't look like it's going to amount to much at all, and mainly confined to our northern and maybe northeastern counties. Wind chills, though, today, despite highs being in the upper 30s, will likely top out in the 20s. Into tonight, partly cloudy skies, and it's another blustery night ahead. Lows drop down to the 20s, but wind chills likely staying in the teens overnight into tomorrow morning. And tomorrow itself, we will see the winds dying off, and that's the good news there, but it's a partly sunny day, not as windy. Highs tomorrow in the mid-30s. It's not just in the Susquehanna Valley dealing with the cold. Really, much of the country seeing that at this hour. It's 53 degrees in Jacksonville, cold for them, but look at this cold air carved out right now into the Central Plains. Sioux Falls, 8 degrees, single digits for them up into the northern plains, and some snow showers in the Ohio Valley, but we're watching this system here. Could give us some flurries later on Sunday. I'll show that to you in just a second. But in the meantime, we've got some of these lake effect bands that are beginning to set up across Lake Erie. Some of them may try to drift in here later on this afternoon and into this evening. Notice how Predictor has a couple of these ragged flurries or snow shower chances, but again, not going to amount to much. Into tonight, partly to mainly clear with lows dropping to the mid-20s. Tomorrow we'll see a little bit more sunshine, and the winds won't be quite as bad. So the start of the weekend itself, while it will be cold, it will not be blustery as it has been. And then we go into Sunday, and here comes this next system. And by Sunday morning, there could be some snow showers knocking on our doorstep to the west. They may try to swing through into the afternoon. Northern counties, perhaps a dusting of that snow, but as the next round of precip moves in on Monday, it looks like it'll be mainly rain for us. So again, snowfall could see a dusting in our northern counties later Sunday into Sunday evening, perhaps even into early Monday morning. But in terms of in terms of the cold air, we've got this one shot of Arctic air moving through now. The second shot is set to arrive later this coming week. Look at the temperatures that we're expecting here in that 7-day forecast and how they drop quickly. But until we get to that second blast, well, maybe he's a little bit in the way of some wintry mix, changing to rain on Monday, another chance of snow on Wednesday, and then that second blast arrives. Highs only in the 20s, it looks like, for next Thursday. So if you think it's cold now, man, we're going to be waiting 7 more days, and it will get even colder for us.
Just you wait.
Just you wait, that's right.
Thanks, Matt.